what's happening, homie?
Hey. Yo, I'm...
I'll give you a pass today.
Me mixed up.
The intellectual thug is victorious.
Fuck is your problem?
Oh, shit. And homie?
What up? Good.
Sorry about that. Hey, what's up, homie?
Hey.
That ain't right.
What it do?
Slap your ass up.
Yo, that's my boy Franklin.
Chill out. I didn't mean nothing. Lately, my bladder got a mind of its own. I guess that's the menopause acting up. Of course.
Asshole! Come on by later, man, and I'll show you that thing. Bye. Fuck all you punks!
I'm still trying to find Mr. Right, but these fools are so wrong lately.
I could care less.
Hey, you lame, dawg. Fuck you, bitch! Come the fuck on! Hey, babe.
Hi.
What's happening? How are you, baby?
I don't need a man. I cook food on my own table. I can
Man, you a genetic experiment gone wrong, dawg. Yup. Let's go!
We must increase the peace. What's up, bro? I'm a revolutionary from the kingdom of heaven.
What the fuck?
My last time forgiving him.
You ain't gotta tell me.
go book. Nigga, bitch go crazy.
Fuck you. With me.
Increase.
Let's do this, motherfuckers.
I was okay till just... Then I got this hot flash. It's popping in here.
Oh, okay. Oh, now, motherfuckers. Yeah, all right, dog.
What's up, partner? Kicks is fly as fuck, ain't you?
I do comply. Oh, shit, man. You ain't about shit. You about to get thrashed today, boy.
I fucked him up.
Still hard, huh? Make none. No, I don't give a fuck. Play rough, bitch. DNFG, you punk motherfuckers. Right, I'm right. Damn.
Los Santos Transit anymore.
You can say that again. And my bladder got a mind of its own. I guess that's the menopause acting up.
Tell me about it. This is unreal!
Hey, what's up, huh? I'm fine. I'm the one that's fine. It's every other dumb motherfucker who ain't fine.
I got a man.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.